With the Careclave, we completely redefine the contamination and lubrication of your instruments. To be entirely confident in our innovation, we have subjected the Careclave to extensive quality testing procedures. With manually applied and automatically dosed sample soiling, 3 Careclaves were operated in specially developed test stands for over 40,000 cycles. These endurance runs confirm our high standards of reliability and reprocessing outcomes. But that's not all. To ensure the long-term protection of your instruments, we collaborated with an independent laboratory. Muss Dental, a partner of all well-known instrument manufacturers, checked the handpieces from our Careclave test practices and clinics. By measuring the starting torque and the flow rate using special test equipment, and through visual inspections by an expert, the conclusion is clear. The instruments reprocessed in the Careclave were in excellent condition. According to the final report, these results can be attributed to the systematic reprocessing and the outstanding cleaning and lubrication performance. Careclave not only offers you the highest protection for your patients, but also helps increase the lifespan of your instruments and reduce service costs at the same time.